Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make shiitake mushroom and pork bone soup, or we call ต้มกระดูกหมูเห็ดหอม Okay, and now I have 10 cup of the water. I turn on the medium heat. Now I'm gonna add our pork bone. Today I use the pork neck bone. You can use pork rib or backbone, but today I use the necks. Okay, I just it's not a lot of meat, but the very good flavor from the bone. They will make your soup very tasty and sweet. And I already clean my my pork bone. Okay, I will add it on. I don't have to wait until the water boils. I just can add it right now. Okay, and now being 10 minutes, my pork bone start getting boiled. If you can see a lot of foam on the top, this is really important. We have to remove all the foam. This a lot. It's come from pork bone or blood or face meat when you cook soup sometime. So just have to remove. Okay, and when you try to remove all the foam already, now I'm gonna continue let our pork bone cook another 20 minutes. And now we're waiting for our pork bone cooking. I'm gonna prepare our vegetable. Today I use the fresh shiitake mushroom. Really beautiful. I already cleaned, and also it's really harder to find fresh shiitake mushroom. So you can use dry shiitake mushroom. Also, it's a lot easier to find. But today special, I found the shiitake mushroom in an Asian grocery store. I'm just gonna cut half. Okay, now we done cut our shiitake mushroom. I'm gonna set it on the side. And next we're gonna cut the winter melon. The winter melon. Look, it's outside. I already cleaned, but now I have to remove the skin. If you cannot find the winter melon, you can change the vegetable. You can use the daikon or you can use the carrot. It's up to you. The shiitake mushroom soup with the pork bone is very popular in Thailand. We like to eat with our main dish. And also it's perfect when you getting sick. Be careful when you cut this, very slippery actually. I can't cut this. And I'm gonna cut our winter melon to be the big pieces. This one you don't have to cut small, just cut a big chunk, about this big chunk, because we have to cook them a little bit long. We don't want them to be too mushy. And also for this winter melon, my grandmother, she loved to make the dessert. She loved to make the dessert with this winter melon too when I'm young. But that's not my favorite. And we're done with our winter melon. And next I'm gonna cut our green onion. About 1 inch. And the bottom of the green onion is very thick. I will cut them half. And now we wait for 20 minutes for our pork bone cooking. And another still have some foam coming out. I will keep remove them. If you see some more foam, just remove them. And now I'm gonna turn on low heat. Okay, turn on the low heat, and now we're gonna start adding our vegetable and some herb. I have 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn. Okay, I have the garlic. I use the 4 cloves the garlic. And I have the goji, or in Thailand sometimes we call goji or something, but this is a goji berry. See, I bought the dehydrate. It look like this. If you cannot find this, you can skip this one, because sometimes hard to find. Only have in the Asian grocery store. Okay, I use 3 tablespoons. Okay, but they're very good for you. And also the same family, it's a tomato or potato, so they're very good for you. And I use the 20 cilantro stem. Of course, in Thailand we use the cilantro loaves, but I can't find it, so I use cilantro stem. I tie them so it's easy for me to remove. Okay, because we just want the flavor from the cilantro stem. And now I'm gonna add our shiitake mushroom. They smell good. Fresh shiitake mushroom. I will add all our shiitake mushroom. If you want to cut smaller, then you can, but I don't like to cut them too small because when they cook, there will be the chink, they will be smaller. So I just cut them all half. Okay, and I'm gonna add my winter melon. This is how big and thick they cut. And we're gonna cook our shiitake mushroom and all the herb and the winter melon very low heat per about an hour. We're gonna cook this about an hour. Has been 1 hour. Our soup been cooking. Look at this, and all you can see the winter melon change the color. This is what we want, and they smell already so good. And now we're gonna seasoning our soup. They smell really good now. Now we're gonna seasoning. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon salt. You see salt, and 2 tablespoons the seasoning soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon soy sauce, but I use the shiitake mushroom favorite soy sauce, but you can use any kind of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna use 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. They will add a good flavor. Okay, 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna give this a very gentle mix before we try let the sauce and the salt all dissolve. So I will give them very slowly mix. Okay, so now we just put the seasoning, so I'm gonna let all the seasoning and the soup cook together about maybe few more minutes, and we come back and check. Now just the last step. We can put our spring onion on top. Let's have some green into our soup. Wow. Okay, and now we're gonna try our soup together. Let me go to the bottom so I can grab some pork bone also. Ooh. Wow. Winter melon, nice and clear. This is how they well done cook. And some more shiitake mushroom. Let me looking for the pork bone. Yes, see? They look nice and tender. Yes. Perfect. Okay, and then I will try the little bit the pork meat. But I think the mushroom and the winter melon still too hot for me to try. Okay. Still hot. Wow, the pork meat is very soft and tender, and also the soup very mild. A lot of shiitake mushroom flavored. This soup is very my favorite and nice and simple. If you like more flavor, you can add extra more soy sauce before you eat. But this will be perfect for your sick day. So if you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Bye. I ready to finish my bowl right now.